Hello, welcome to Ancient Civilizations. This is our social studies unit, and right now we are working on ancient Egypt. Our learning targets are I can identify examples of individuals or groups who have an impact on world history and explain how their actions helped shape the world around them. So, like I said, we are still focusing on ancient Egypt, and today is going to be a day where you are going to do some independent research, and you're going to go on Epic and you're going to read about ancient Egypt. So all you do is you go to Epic and you just type in Egypt in um, the search area, and you find books such as these that are on your screen, and then you can learn more about Egypt. And this is a time for you to find things that interest you. For instance, if you like cats, an Egyptian cat is right here, and it's called an Abyssinian, so you could learn more about that. This is also a time for maybe something that you do really like cats and you already know a lot about cats. So now let's learn about King Tut's tomb, something else that might interest you. So you can really broaden your perspective on what you're learning about. This is independent study, and you just take notes on what you learn. You can either take notes electronically on your school iPad, or it's probably easiest if you're reading on Epic to use a pencil and a paper and just write down what you've learned. This is a good life lesson on note taking. So you just write down different things that you've learned, like, okay, I'm going to read this book and I'm going to write 5 new things that I learned. That's just an example. Or I didn't know what this word meant, so I'm going to write down what this word means. It's just a really good idea for you to practice taking notes. I hope you find this fun, and I hope you really explore these books on Egypt and find things that you didn't know were even possible before. Enjoy!